Introducing the cutting-edge 2022 Volkswagen Id.4 GTX. With 299 horsepower, this all-electric estate is packed with convenience and safety features for a smooth ride. Enjoy amenities like ambient lighting, cruise control, satellite navigation, and more. Safety is a top priority with anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and parking assistance. Plus, with a full health check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty included, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.